In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude to create PowerPoint slides. We'll move from opening Claude to starting a fresh chat to crafting a strong prompt and finally sending it off so Claude can generate clear, presentation-ready content for your deck. First, open your browser and head to Claude. You'll land on a clean page where you can start a new conversation. Think of this as your workspace for giving instructions and receiving the slide outline, bullets, and optional speaker notes that you can use inside PowerPoint. Next, look to the left sidebar and click the plus icon. That creates a brand new chat, which keeps this request separate from any other projects. A fresh thread helps Claude stay focused on the single task of building your slides, so the output won't get mixed up with older context. Now type your prompt. Be specific about the topic, the audience, and what success looks like. State how many slides you want, the tone you prefer, and any must-cover sections. Ask for a clear structure that includes a title slide, an agenda, several core sections, and a conclusion with next steps. If you want help presenting, request speaker notes beneath each slide's bullets. You can also ask for suggested visuals or placeholders, like include a chart on market growth or insert a workflow diagram on slide 4. If there are constraints, time limit for delivery, brand voice, reading level, or required terminology, spell those out. To keep formatting simple, ask for each slide to start with a heading followed by concise one-line bullets, and note any style preferences such as parallel phrasing or consistent tense. If sources matter, ask for references or citation placeholders you can verify later. The clearer your prompt, the cleaner and more usable your deck content will be. When you're ready, hit submit or press enter. Claude will generate slide titles, bullets, and any notes in seconds. Review the output and refine it in the same chat. Ask for fewer slides or deeper detail, tighten long bullets, adjust tone, add data placeholders, or include a stronger call to action. If the response cuts off, simply ask it to continue. Avoid sharing confidential or sensitive information in your prompt. Once the content matches your vision, you'll have a structured outline, polished bullets, and optional notes ready to drop into your PowerPoint template. And that's it. Open Claude, start a new chat, write a precise prompt, and submit. With a focused request, you'll get organized, presentation-ready content fast.